So here is the Razorpay payment platform, and it's supported in countries like India and Malaysia. Razorpay is the most popular payment gateway in India, and it's most widely used in India because it's very easy to integrate, and it's very high success rates and very easy to manage this gateway. So moving on to the specialities of Razorpay and what comes in Razorpay. Supercharge your business with all the powerful payment gateway. Razorpay supports 100 plus payment methods, and it's industry leading success rate. Also, the checkout experience is very superior, easy to integrate, and all the settlements done instantly within 1 day. And let's move on to the features of Razorpay payment gateway. Razorpay supports payment links where you can generate a payment link that can be shared over email, SMS, messenger, chatbot, and get paid immediately. So you can generate payment links and share the links to your customers and get paid using this payment link. Another option is payment pages where you can take your store online with zero coding. You don't need to code anything. Razorpay creates a page for you. You will have a page builder where you can create input fields and other details. So those who don't have a website, this is a very good option to run your business for your online courses or classes or such kind of small scale business. It's very useful payment pages. Also you can use in your major websites also. Those who have static websites etc can make use of this payment pages, where under the Razorpay dashboard you can create the payment pages and make use of it. Another is payment button, where you can create buttons for subscription as well as for one-time payment, and that can be used in your website. And another is subscription is an important feature where you can create plans like basic, pro. In many of the websites we may have seen, like in Amazon Prime we have subscription, in Netflix we have subscription. So all these kind of subscriptions are run by this kind of payment method. So in your website, if you need some kind of subscription where you can create plans like basic, pro, advanced, or essentials, kind of lot of kind of enterprise plans, any kind of plans you can create and make your customers subscribe, so they can have a monthly deduction. Like every month they will be charged a certain amount. You can set it to monthly, yearly, weekly, etc. So this is a very good option for running subscription kind of businesses. So that's all about Razorpay, and here is the RazorpayX. It's another product by Razorpay for managing company finances, and RazorpayX supports something like the redemption, coupon redemption, cashback. This can be set using the RazorpayX. We'll be covering this kind of things in detail on our future videos. Here are the new things. What are new in the Razorpay product suite is instant settlements, UPI autopay. So you can set up the subscription kind of business using UPI mandates, etc. So customers can make use of Google Pay, Phone Pay, all kind of UPI payment methods to subscribe to your products or services. So monthly they will be charged based on the plan they have subscribed. So this is a very popular and most used feature recently. And when it comes to the setup and activation, it's very easy to set up an account and get activated. Very easy onboarding process and very fast. No need to wait much days for the approval. Very easy to submit our business details and get approved. Details like Aadhaar, PAN card, and other registration details, or you can register as an individual business, etc. So the pricing is very simple, and you will be charged like 2% of as commission rate kind of. Another thing is Razorpay has a very good dashboard where everything can be managed easily. Over 50 lakh of businesses are using Razorpay, and here are you can see the popular business like Audacity, Facebook, Akbar Travel, SpiceJet, Quikr, Intuit, Swiggy, Unacademy, Book My Show. Most of the popular service and product companies in India are using the Razorpay. So it's very popularly used by Zero, the App Stokes, IRCTC, and most of the popular companies we can see here. So it's very good choice for your website and business to use Razorpay as a payment gateway. So if you search online, you can see Razorpay in the top list of all the payment gateways. So that's all about Razorpay, and I'll be leaving my Razorpay referral link in the description, so you can make use of the referral link and get started with Razorpay. So you will get some bonus and extra offers also with the if you sign up using the referral link. You can use the platform for a few months without any charges. The charges will be free for up to 1 lakh or 2 lakh payments for a few months. Also you will get some other offers also if you sign up using the referral link that I have shared in the comment and description of this video. So that's all about the intro video of Razorpay. I'll be sharing more details about Razorpay dashboard and how to integrate Razorpay to JavaScript projects, JavaScript web apps and mobile apps in future videos. So that's all about in this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.